Movies are made to get a profit and make money. That's for certain. And that might be the primary motive, but a secondary motive is to convince people of hoaxes, that the hoaxes are real. And in this video, I'm going to show you from this movie called Aspen Extreme that avalanches are fake. Keep in mind this is a movie, so it's a Hollywood production, so to speak. Now I will do some future videos showing you some, quote, actual footage of avalanches. But this is just a movie, and to get us started on the idea that avalanches are hoaxes. These two buddies left their blue-collar job to go out to Aspen, Colorado to become ski instructors, and they're going to try to practice for something called the figure eight. So they're going to do some skiing together. Let's watch.
Oh, me. Try and keep up.
Okay, avalanches are hoaxes similar to the hoax of volcanoes. Somehow the mountain erupts. You noticed that they did a rumbling noise and they showed the snow cracking. And then somehow this snow, which is just a bunch of puffy little flakes, becomes some kind of a monstrous, free-flowing energy. It's all nonsense. And in future videos, I'll explain a little more about how I think they hoax it for us. So you might as well see the end of this. There's not much to it. Now there's where you can see the power of the hoax right there. Coming right at you. Once again, if it was a real avalanche, ask the question about the camera and the cameraman or camera lady who's filming this or whatever. Future videos I'll show you more. End of the video.